Hello everyone, my name is Jill Branch. I'm Head of Maths here at Whitley Bay High School. And what we wanted to do is to just talk you through what we've set your children to do for their maths revision over the Easter period. So I'm just going to get started and talk you through what we've set them. Now, everything we've set them for the next 2 weeks is all on a program called Maths Watch. Now, all of your children know all about this and they know how to get on. But if there is any problems, please do email me for any usernames or passwords, but they should know what they're doing. So what we've put on here, and the reason what we've gone with this programme is just to be a little bit different, but it also means that the task that we've set them is very personalised to them and things that they need to work on. So, like it says on here, first of all, we have three tasks for them to do that is based on one of the targets that they were set on their results slip from their trial exams. So, on the left here, we have the foundation work, and on the right here is the higher. So I'll demonstrate it with the foundation here. So these 9 tasks where it says F paper 3, area and perimeter of compound and so on, there are 9 tasks set on their Maths Watch. Now, from their target, their first target, they were set 3 of these to do. 1 from paper 1, 1 from paper 2 and 1 from paper 3. Now, those 3 tasks, they only need to do 3 of the 9. The 3 tasks that they've been set are basically based from things that we saw that they weren't very good at on the trial exam. Okay, so basically from their trial exam, their teachers picked 3 topics that they think, that student needs to work on those. As it says here, there is 9, and we've purposely put all 9 on because, feel free if they want to, they're welcome to have a little look at all of them. But the 3 that they've been set on their target is the ones they should concentrate on. Now, when they click on here, what's really important and what we've told this to them as well is we don't want them just to get started. They've struggled with this topic on the trial exam. And when they click on it, there's some little videos at the bottom, and it's really important that they watch those videos first. Because that's so that it's a 5 to 10 minute video and they need to watch that so they kind of learn it. And not learn it from scratch. It's just remembering it and going back over it and then go into the task and have a go at the questions. And what's really nice about Maths Watch and why we've picked to set this for them this holiday period is because they'll get the answers straight away. And it's just really nice to know when obviously you're working at home without a teacher there or someone to check it that you are getting it right. 3 of those, like I said, that's from their target from their exam results slip. But like it says there, feel free to have a go at them all because these are topics. All 9 of those topics are definitely going to be on the papers that they're going to do in May, June. Now, what they've also got, so again, obviously there's 3 for foundation and 3 for higher, is we've made some mock exams. Are hopefully aware, what's nice this year is that we have been given what topic is going to be on each paper. So these are 3 pretend exams based on the topics that the exam board have given us. So that mock 22 1F or 1H, that's a mock paper 1. So that is a non-calculator paper, but all the questions on there are basically made from the questions that they've said are going to be on paper 1. So it's like a best guess that we've made up. All right, so please ask them to spend an hour and a half on those. They are set up like an exam. So it's basically, it just gives them an idea of how they're doing and it'll tell them which topics to work on. So yeah, there's a lot of work there, and we're not saying to go through and do the 9 targets. They don't need to do the full thing. They just need to use it until they feel like they're confident with it. But the 3 exams, I would maybe do one every 4 or 5 days, give them a little break between each one. But I would encourage them to sit it as an exam. So set themselves up an hour and a half. That's how long that each paper is. Make sure they've got their equipment, paper and a pen. Just because you're putting the answers into a computer, they still will need to do lots of work in. So they'll need paper and a pen. And just tell them to give it that a try. But that is really what we're asking them to do this Easter. We have suggested that they do 1 target and 1 past paper in this first week, so they may have already done that. So that's great if they have. But yeah, so we've suggested they do that just before the holidays to spread it out a bit. But if they haven't got that done already, if you could try to get them to do all 3 targets and the 3 past papers, that would be great. Just in case there is any worries about usernames and passwords, their username is basically the first letter of their first name, then their surname at Whitley Bay, and everybody's password is just circle. There's the odd few in case there's any repeats of names that has a 1 or a 2 after it, but your children will know this from their teacher. But any queries, please just email me at jill.branch@whitleybayhighschool.org and I'll get that sorted for you as soon as I can. We have set a due date to all the Year 11s for this, and we've basically said that last Sunday at midnight is when the cut-off is. So literally, not that we're encouraging them to be doing it just before midnight, but we are saying that we want this, that should be finished before you come back to school on that first Monday, because we're going to go back to paper past papers from them, so we can obviously have a look at how they're doing. But like I said, any questions or queries about this, please do email me, jill.branch@whitleybayhighschool.org. Throughout the holidays, I'm more than happy to answer any questions. And good luck with it. Thanks very much.